Yes, sir. We made it. The Laconia Bike Week 2023. This is the strip. It's pretty empty right now, but y'all gonna see tomorrow. It's gonna be wild. Yes, sir. So you got all your tattoo shops, pizza, official event merchandise. Got all of your coppers. Look at this right here. Yes, sir. 2024. Laconia 2023. Some event merchandise. So these are all your tents here. Some more parking. But if you want some cool shirts, that's where you get them. People love that stuff. Yes, sir. Check it out.